N-Sapir. Our agility is the advantage of our customers. N-Sapir is the world distributor of electronic components of the highest quality. N-Sapir develops, manufactures and markets passive electronic components with unique parameters: high frequency, high voltage, high resistance and high precision. We know all the ins and outs of the global market of passive electronic components and its trends. We invest in thin and thick film process engineering because the products based on these technologies are in great demand worldwide. N-Sapir's highly skilled experts and know-how allow us to combine these processes to make a great innovative product using state-of-the-art equipment. Thin film technology, metal deposition, microphotolithography, precision electroplating, micro-laser cutting and edging, high-performance precision electrical testing and packaging. Thick film technology, precision silk screen printing, offset contact printing, oven with superior heat uniformity. Precision winding, epoxy coating, high speed and high precision testing, solutions to global standards. Application. Our products and solutions are used in avionics and space, in telecommunication, in unmanned aerial vehicles manufacturing, in industry and instrumentation, in medical equipment, in automotive equipment. N-Sapir's innovative products are used in all industries. Our know-how and skills allow us to develop and successfully set up manufacturing of new products. The above-mentioned products are examples of the innovative products we offer. N-Sapir's team of highly skilled professionals provides high-quality products by using cutting-edge equipment and superior materials. N-Sapir guarantees the ecological safety of the products. This allows us to reach new markets and create products that are in demand in all industries, meet the latest quality standards and satisfy the needs of our customers. The company's highly skilled experts are ready to face any challenge. N-Sapir is located in Israel and is open for cooperation with foreign companies. We specialize in manufacturing of high-frequency, high-voltage, high-resistance precision resistors and passive components with unique parameters. N-Sapir's global purchasing and manufacturing teams ensure that your product will be delivered on time, at the right price and will be of the highest quality.